Hello to all my artist friends. I'm with you with a simple and attractive drawing of a cute girl and a boy. Both of them have big and shiny eyes. Let's start drawing. We are drawing the girl's face with these simple shapes. Now, the beautiful hair of this little girl. We can draw the general shape of her dress, her hands, shoe. Now, it's the turn of the boy in my drawing. After drawing his big eyes and his smiling lips, the general shape of the face, and now his curly hair. I will draw the general shape of his dress like this. Here are his legs and shoes. For her eyes. I will use a light pink for the color of his face and skin. The girl has orange hair with a red bow. The girl is wearing a pink dress with blue edges. Red for her shoes. Black eyes. Coloring his skin. The boy has brown curly hair. We use red and blue to color his dress. Green for his pants. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.